Welcome to you to the favorite YouTube channel Uday Vons. Today's video is about the passive. And first rule number 1. What is voice? The voice is a verb form. Voice is a verb form which shows whether the subject of a sentence performs the action or is affected by it. What is voice? Voice is a verb form which shows whether the subject of a sentence performs the action or is affected by it. Next, we should know about the types or classification of voice. Voice, that means we can say there are two classifications of voice. They are active and passive. Next, we shall proceed towards rule number 3. What is active voice? So, what is active voice? The voice that tells us the subject of a sentence performs or does the action. That is known as active voice. Rule number 3. What is active voice? The verb form which shows the subject of a sentence performs or does the action is an active voice. Rule number 4. What is passive voice? The voice that tells us the subject of a sentence is affected by it, and that is known as a passive voice. Yes, what is passive voice? That is the voice means the verb form. The verb form or the voice which tells us or which shows the subject of a sentence is affected by it, and that is known as a passive voice. And to make the fact clear, perhaps I think that I will have to take the help of a diagram. बर्तमान पाए ए जिनसटा को हमें भल भाव बुझा वॉइस कहले वाच्य को बुझा जाए. वाच्य दुई प्रकार, गोटे एक्टिव और गोटे पैसिव. आमे एक्टिव वाक्य क्या कहबा जो वर्ब फॉर्म हमको कहे व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट डज बा डज बोली जे कहे, जो वर्ब फॉर्म हमको कहे सब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए सेंटेंस डज बोली बा करे बोली, ताको हमें कहबा एक्टिव सेंटेंस. आउ आसला पैसिव, जो वर्ब फॉर्म हमको कहे व्हाट इज डन बोली, कौन करा जाए बोली, ताको हमें कहबा पैसिव. एग्जांपल, नोबडी डज इट. এটা হলো অ্যাক্টিভ বাক্যের গোটে এক্সাম্পল. আর প্যাসিভ বাক্যের এক্সাম্পল এটা ইট ইজ নট ডন. রুল নম্বর 5 and rule number 5 is about the introducer of active voice and passive voice. Introducer means the beginning words, and the beginning words of active voice and passive voice. Active voice usually begins with agents or subjects, but passive voice usually begins with objects or persons. Introducer of active and passive. AV, not audio video, that is active voice. Active voice begins with agent or subject. Passive voice begins with object or person. Rule number 6. What is agent? The doer or the subject of a sentence is known as agent. What is agent? The doer or the subject of a sentence is known as an agent. And here is the example. Tuna killed a tiger. The instruction is given in a bracket, and the instruction is pick out the agent. and the subject of this particular sentence is tuna, so it is also known as agent. So tuna is the agent. Now, rule number 7. What is object? If we ask what or whom to the verb, the answer that comes, that is an object. अर्थात जदि आमे वर्ब को कौन बा कहा को पचारिबा जहाँ उत्तर मिले ताकू आमे ऑब्जेक्ट कहती. एग्जांपल, मोनिका गेव मी बिस्किट्स. मोनिका मते बिस्कुट देला. ताले दी मोनिका गेव मी बिस्किट्स हो गला ताले पचारिबा मोनिका कहा को बिस्कुट्स देला. ताले आंसर आसला मी. तेणु मीटा है ऑब्जेक्ट. तापर पचारिबा मोनिका मते कौन देला. आंसर आसला बिस्किट्स. तेणु एठी बिस्किट्स मते हला ऑब्जेक्ट. That means in this particular sentence there are two objects, me and biscuits. Me is the indirect object and biscuits the direct object.